Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying essentials so your model won't restart blindly. First, confirm which process manager controls the job, systemd, supervisor, or Kubernetes, because each handles restarts differently. Next, inspect logs for model loader errors, out-of-memory killer messages, or repeated exceptions. This tells you why restarts happen. Also pin framework and CUDA versions and check GPU memory usage to avoid incompatibility crashes. Once done, stop automatic restarts briefly so you can reproduce the failure without loops and collect precise data. Now you instrument the job to find the root cause. Run the model in debug mode with verbose logging and full stack traces so you capture the exact failure point. This tells you whether it's an exception, or signal. Apply conservative resource limits, CPU, memory, or GPU fraction like 0. 5. To prevent system kills, use a single-run wrapper that records exit codes and signals to disk. Once you reproduce the issue reliably, you can test targeted fixes without the noise of restart loops interfering with diagnosis. Finally, apply the actual fixes and harden the deployment. If the crash is an unhandled exception, add proper try-except handling and validate inputs. If it's OOM, reduce batch size or enable gradient accumulation. Disable automatic restart temporarily so you can confirm stability, then re-enable with exponential backoff and checkpointing to avoid repeat failures. Make sure graceful shutdown handles cleanup. If things still go wrong, toggle debug, logging, and compare the failing run to the last known good run to spot subtle differences quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.